Hey, hey, hey. It's Wednesday Wild Hair Day. So getting ready for church tonight. I need to tame my hair because this curly stuff is everywhere. So it's almost nearing wash day, which means my hair is getting a bit dry. So my hair is high porosity hair. It sucks in the product and my hair is in constant need of moisture. For that reason, for me personally and my hair, I will use a little pea-sized dab of the hair mask to moisturize my hair to get me out to that wash day, okay? Now, if your hair is low porosity hair, this may be entirely too much and you would never use the mask as a leave-in. But again, my hair is high porosity, it's in constant need of moisture, and this helps me tame it, just like that. You can see how the taming went down. Second, I love the hair serum throughout my hair. I use this daily, so just a little bit, not much at all. This bottle lasts me a long time for the hair serum. Rub my hands together and I'm gonna take it back, put a little bit on my hair, but my main focus is my ends. This seals in the ends of my hair so that the split ends are not going farther up into the hair. It also really gives your hair that healthy shine, okay? So there we go, now we're ready. I'm gonna use, let's see, a hair acrylic. I love these, but I have on a black skirt, a white top with a pop of color. So I am personally going to use the black and white, but we have so many different colorations to choose from. So I'm going to use that, and I'm actually just going to use it tonight for decoration and not for holding. Most of the time you see me using the acrylics for holding power. Tonight, not so much. I'm actually going to hide a sport up in here and actually use it for its holding power and the acrylic just for a little bit of interest, okay? High bun, using the silicone sport clip to actually hold that right there. Okay, and then I'm taking the remainder of my hair up and we're going to put it up there. Just take it out and around like so. And we're going to use one of our plain strong Willow Rose bobby pins. We're going to tuck the ends of that hair up under that bun just like so, and get scalp hair, get the ends of that hair just like that, and we've got a really fast bun. The hair serum also, you can feel it on your hands a little bit still, really defines the curls, so they're in a more defined definition pattern. And like I said, I want this black and white just because I have on the white shirt and black skirt with this orange pop of color. So I'm just gonna put this in here just for prettiness, okay? Notice when I put that in, I should go over that again. Notice when I put that in, I just didn't stick it in, because if you just stick it in as quickly as it comes in, it'll also come out. I kind of weave it in so that I know that it's getting, so I kind of go forward, grab a little bit, and then go backwards so that I know it's actually going to, oops, I don't want to show it down there. So I know that it's actually going to stay in there, just like that. What do you think? I think the black and white was the right choice for me in the acrylic. All right, you all have a blessed Wednesday. If you want to see a whole nother playlist of actually all the different types of hairstyles you can use and the actual holding power of our acrylics, just comment below, link please, playlist link please, and I will be sure and link that down there for you. All right, I'm Rochelle. Have a blessed day.